Welcome back to the social class, dear students. Today we are going to revise social science for 8th standard. Geography lesson number 1 and 2, all 1 marks. So lesson 1, rocks and soils. So this lesson we are going to deal with 1 marks today. Yes, coming to page number 92, evaluations. First question from choose the correct answer. Which of the following is known as spare of rocks? So what is the answer? Lithosphere is the answer. Which of the following is known as spare of rocks? Answer is C, lithosphere. Second one. World Soil Day is observed on 5th December. World Soil Day is observed on 5th December. D is the answer. Third one. Fossils are found in sedimentary rocks. Fossils are found in sedimentary rocks. A is the answer. Third one, answer is A. Fossils are found in sedimentary rocks. Fourth one, the top layer of soil is called as topsoil. In question itself, you have the answer, topsoil. The top layer of soil is called as topsoil. Answer is B. Fifth one, ideal soil for growing cotton is black soil. Fifth one, answer is black soil. Ideal soil for growing cotton is black soil. Sixth one, the major components of soil is minerals. B is the answer. The major components of soil is minerals. Seventh one, which of the following is the most widespread, most unproductive category of soil? The answer is alluvial soil. So what they have asked, which one of the following is the most widespread, most unproductive category of soil? The answer is alluvial soil. A is the answer. Now coming to fill in the blanks. Scientific study of rocks is called dash. So what is the answer? First one, answer is petrology. Petrology. Petrology is the answer for first fill in the blanks. Scientific study of rocks is called what? Petrology. P-E-T, pet. Tro. Okay. Petro. So in simple, we all know the spelling for petrol, right? P-T-R-O-L. O-G. O-G-Y. Okay. Next. Second one. Dash is highly suitable for millet cultivations. What is highly suitable for millets cultivation? Yes, second one, answer is red soil. R-E-D, red. S-O-I-L, soil. So second one, answer is red soil. Red soil is highly suitable for millets cultivation. You can write only red here because already soil is here, right? Okay. Third one. The skin of earth is dash. What is called as skin of earth? Yes, it is soil. The skin of earth is soil. S-O-I-L. Fourth one. Dash is the kind of metamorphic rock using which Taj Mahal was built. Out of which rock Taj Mahal was built? Yes, it is white marble. WHITE, white marble, MARBLE. So, fourth one answer is white marble. Okay, next coming to fifth one. Dash is known as the primary rocks. What is called as primary rocks? Fifth one answer is igneous rocks. IGNEOUS. Igneous rock is known as the primary rocks. Got it? Okay. Now we shall see. State whether the following statements are true or false. So, first one. Igneous rocks are called primary rocks. Yes, it is true. Just now we saw in fill in the blanks, the last fill in the blanks. Dash is known as the primary rocks, right? What answer we saw? Igneous rocks, isn't it? Yes. Now you are seeing igneous rocks are called as primary rocks. What is the answer? True. So here is the answer igneous. We saw, right? Igneous rock is known as what? Primary rock. So here the same is coming in true or false. Igneous rocks are called primary rocks. It is true. Second one. Slate is formed from shale. It is true. True is the answer. Slate is formed from shale. Answer is true. Third one. Red soil is formed by the process of leaching. Answer is false. It's not leaching, right? Next. Fourth one. M sand is used as alternative for natural sand in construction. Answer is true. So first one is true, second one is also true, third one is false, and fourth one is true. Coming to fifth one. Volcanic mountains are covered with sedimentary rocks. It's false. Volcanic mountains are covered with sedimentary rocks. It's false. Now, Roman letter 4, match the following. So, here, first one, granite, they have given. Next, soil layer, barren island, and soil conservation. So, what is the answer? A is the answer. 2, 1, 4, 3. 2, 1, 4, 3. So, now, answer you can see. What is the answer for granite? Yes, number 1. Okay, plutonic rock. Answer is plutonic rock. Next one is soil layer. Soil layer's answer is bedrock. Third one, barren island. Answer is active volcano. Fourth one, soil conservation. Answer is what? Strip farming. Next. Second one. They have given basalt, limestone, coal, gneiss. So the answer is B. 2, 4, 1, 3. 2, 4, 1, 3. So basalt answer is metamorphic rock. Limestone answer is anthracite. Coal answer is sedimentary rock. And last one, gneiss, answer is extrusive igneous. Okay, now coming to choose the incorrect statement from the following. They have given some incorrect we have given some statements here. We have to pick out the incorrect statements from this. First one, igneous rocks are called the primary rocks. So this is true. Okay, this is correct one. We saw in fill in the blanks also, and we saw in true or false also, right? Second one, soil is the product of weathering of rocks. Okay, even this is also correct. Soil is the product of weathering of rocks. Okay. Third one, sedimentary rocks are the hardest one. This is the incorrect answer. Sedimentary rocks are the hardest one they have given. It's not an hardest one, right? Okay. Fourth one, D. Deccan Plateau is the region of igneous rocks. This is correct. So C is the incorrect statement from first question. Okay, so you have to circle this C. Okay, now coming to second one. Soil erosion decreases its fertility. This is correct. Soil erosion decreases its fertility only. Second one, B. Dynamic metamorphism is caused by high temperature. So this is B1 is the incorrect statement. Okay. Soil is a renewable source. This is correct. Humus is a part of the top layer of soil, and this is also correct. So the incorrect answer is B. Roman letter 6. Consider the following statements and choose the right option from the given ones. So they have given two statements here. Statement number 1. Sedimentary rocks consist of many layers. Statement 2. Sedimentary rocks are formed by the sediments deposited at different points of time. So which is the right option given here? Answer is A. 1 and 2 are correct, and 2 explains 1. So both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Okay. Number 2 explains the number first statement. Okay, this is the answer. So answer is A. Now we'll see 1 marks from lesson 2, weather and climate. Yes, page number 102. Evaluation, choose the correct answer. First one, Earth's atmosphere contains about dash percentage of nitrogen and oxygen. Answer is A. 78% and 21%. Okay. 78% of nitrogen and 21% of oxygen. So answer is A. Next, coming to second one. Dash is generally defined as the average conditions of the weather of a place or a region. So what is the answer? Answer is C, climate. So climate is generally defined as the average conditions of the weather of a place or a region. Okay. Third one. The earth receives energy from dash. From where? Heat. The earth receives energy from heat. Okay. Next, fourth one. Which one of the following represents places with equal amount of rainfall? Answer is D. Isoheights. Which one of the following represents place with equal amount of rainfall? Answer is isoheights. Fifth one. Dash is used to measure the humidity. So which instrument is used to measure humidity? Yes, it is C. Hygrometer. Hygrometer. Next, we'll see fill in the blanks. First one, dash refers to the condition of atmosphere for a short period of time. So what is the answer? Answer is weather. W-E-A-T-H-E-R. W-E-A-T-H-E-R is weather. So weather refers to the condition of atmosphere for a short period of time. Next. Second one. Fill in the blanks. Second one. The scientific study of weather is called dash meteorology. The answer is meteorology. I'll just write it here. METEOROLOGY. Meteorology. The scientific study of weather is called what? Meteorology. So again I'll write it. Meteorology. METEOROLOGY. Okay. Third one. The highest temperature ever recorded on the earth is dash. So what is the answer? 56.7 degree Celsius. C represents Celsius. The answer is 56.7 degree Celsius. The highest temperature ever recorded on the earth is 56. Again I'll write 56.7 degree Celsius. Okay. Next, coming to fourth one. Dash is a ratio between the actual amount of water vapor and the maximum amount of water vapor the air can hold. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is relative humidity. The answer is relative humidity. RELATIVE. Relative. What is the spelling for humidity? HUMIDITY. So fourth answer is relative humidity. Relative humidity is a ratio between the actual amount of water vapor and the maximum amount of water vapor the air can hold. Next, fifth one. Dash and dash are measured by anemometer and wind vane respectively. What is the answer? First dash is wind speed. WIND. Wind speed. Second one is wind direction. Wind direction. So the fifth answer, wind speed and wind direction are measured by anemometer and wind vane respectively. So these are the answers. Sixth one. Dash are imaginary lines which connect the same temperatures of different places. What is that? It is isotherms. 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 Dash are imaginary lines which connect the same temperatures of different places. That is what? Isotherms. Next, coming to match the following. So first one is climate. So what is climate? Obviously it is long-term changes. Okay, we studied in the very beginning of the lesson. Second one is isoneph. What is isoneph? Answer is equal snowfall. Isoneph. Answer is equal snowfall. Third one, hygrometer. Answer is humidity. Hygrometer. Okay, it's an instrument used to measure humidity. Got it? Fourth one is radar. So what is radar? Locating and tracking storms. Fourth one, locating and tracking storms is called as what? A radar. And the last one is low pressure. It is cyclone. Number 5. Okay. Next we'll see true or false. State whether the following statements are true or false. The atmosphere is a layer of gases surrounding the planet. Answer is true. 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 Second one, the scientific study of weather is called climatology. Answer is false. What is the answer? It is meteorology. We studied, right? Okay. False is the answer. Third one, isohel refers equal sunshine. Answer is true. Third one, answer is true. Fourth one, humidity is calculated by aneroid barometer. Answer is false. So what is the answer for it actually? Hygrometer, right? So hygrometer only they are using to calculate what? Humidity. Okay. So here they have given barometer. So the answer is false. Okay children, go through all the 1 marks and prepare well for examination. Thank you and take care.